Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching and talking about the new Essence Glossy Jelly nail polishes. These actually came out with their Spring-Summer 2024 collection update. There are 3 colors. They are sheer, or at least meant to be sheer, but I feel like they are a little bit buildable if you're more of an opaque loving kind of girl or guy, and they actually have a juicy scent, or at least the polish has, after it is fully dried. And this is something that I really wanted to test out, because usually when it says it has like a scent, it's just very toxic smelling, very not natural, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just going to talk about that a little later in this video. So first of all, we have Summer Splash, and this is a nice like purpley plummy kind of color with a hint of pink in there. I have to say, I think that this color is my favorite of the 3, just because I feel like it's a little bit more easy to get more opaque if you're not into the super sheer like jelly nail look. I'm just going to apply this 2 coats to my thumb, my pointer and my pinky nail. Also, I would really love for you guys to let me know how you feel about my way of swatching like on my entire hand instead of only on my thumb. I'm really curious to hear what you think about that. Of course, this is only pretty much doable if I have up to 5 polishes in one collection or swatch video that I'm recording. So do let me know if you like this way, or if you'd rather see me just swatch all colors on just one nail, which is my thumb. Thanks a lot on forehand. Your feedback is really helpful, especially now I'm getting back into recording a little bit more often after having my baby 5 months ago. So yeah, definitely let me know, and once again, thanks a lot. So this second coat I'm applying of Summer Splash, already you can tell it is like 85% opaque. There is still a little bit of sheerness going on, like it's a little bit transparent still, which is of course what these polishes are meant to be. But I do feel like if you would apply a 3rd layer, it would be pretty much completely opaque, especially for this color. It's such a nice pinky purpley like plummy kind of tone. I think it's really gorgeous, and it definitely will suit a lot of different skin tones as well. As far as the scent goes, I was really skeptical, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, but I did notice that after the polish was completely dry and I was actually wearing this manicure for about a day, I think, there definitely was a sweet, like fruity kind of scent, which I didn't dislike. It didn't really smell super like toxic or man-made. It actually did smell like a sweet, candy, fruity kind of scent. I'm not quite sure how to describe it, but definitely try it out and just sniff it for yourself once your polish is completely dry. Of course, if you want to smell it while the polish is still wet, you won't really notice that scent. It just really smells like nail polish, and of course you don't want to like sniff that up all the way into your lungs, because that's not really like a nice thing to do. But yeah, this second color already is called Candy Gloss. And the second and the 3rd color really looked similar a lot, especially within that first coat. But after the 2nd layer, especially of the 3rd color, you will see that they definitely are different. But at first I was like, what's up with this Essence, like selling 2 like similar colors in one collection? But I like took my words like back. I just swallowed it because at the end of this video you will see that they are definitely different. So Candy Gloss is more of like a pinkish red. It is like putting liquid hard candy on your nails. It is the most sheer one out of the 3, with 2 coats at least. I have to say, I haven't tried applying a 3rd layer to see what it looks like, just for the sake of the video and to show you what these polishes are actually capable of within just 2 coats. But in my opinion, it was the most sheer one. Then the third and final color is called Sugar High. As I mentioned, this one looked a lot within that first coat like the second one. So if you feel like I'm not quite sure which ones I should get, I would just suggest look into the color after 2 coats, because the second one is more of like a pinky red, and this third one, Sugar High, is more of like a bright neon orangey red. But you will see that in a little bit once I have applied the second coat. But as you can see, the first layer is very sheer, very jelly like. Personally, I am more of an opaque nail kind of girl, but that's just my personal opinion and my personal preference. If you do like this sheer look, definitely just apply 1 coat, because they do have a really nice color payoff, even though they are sheer, like transparent kind of polishes. But yeah, I don't know, I just really prefer the look of these colors, especially the first and this third one with 2 coats. And just look at how bright it is. And here you can definitely see the difference between the second and the third one. The third one being very much more bright, more neon, more on the orange red side, compared to the second one, which is more of a pinky red, and of course is more sheer. But yeah, these were actually all 3 colors. I know it's a little bit of a shorter video, but hey, what can you do with 3 polishes, you know? But yeah, definitely let me know what you think about these colors, if you have gotten some yourself, and what do you think about this swatching method using 5 nails instead of 1. Thanks a lot for your feedback, I really appreciate it. And of course, definitely check out my other videos as well. If you are new to my channel, I did gain a bunch of new subscribers the last few months, so hi, welcome. I really hope you enjoy, and of course welcome to the little nail family that is here on my YouTube channel. And yeah, I don't really have a lot more to say. These polishes go for €1.99 in euros each. You can get them online or at your like local drugstore if you are based in Europe. Let me know if you want a link to a more like international website if you're looking for them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.